Hey, here we are. We just got a little bit of wind, doing about 3 knots, sailing Southwest Florida, Catalina 22. Beautiful day out here. Catalina 22 wing keel, great boat. Just put on a little bimini. It's kind of folded up, but might need it if it gets hot. And there we are. It's a great day to be sailing. Kind of shows how fast we're going. There's the shore, Naples. Got a 6-horse Tohatsu Sail Pro outboard, works great. Earlier we had gusts up to 17 knots. We had a hull speed of over 5.5 knots. We're doing pretty good. This is the inside of the Catalina 22. They're all pretty standard. This is a 1993 model. But it's a great day to be on the water. Not too many boats out. Beach is totally deserted. But we're cruising right along. Water's about 85 degrees, the air's 85, and I think the humidity is pretty much about 85. But it's a great way to spend the day.